Have you ever reached home and suddenly realized you don't remember the road you took? Your body arrived, but you didn't. You eat food, but don't taste it. You talk to people, but don't really hear them. Your life keeps moving while your mind is somewhere else. Most people think this is normal. But psychology says something else. It means you are living without awareness. If life feels like it is passing too fast, stay with me for a few minutes. Hello, namaste, welcome everyone. My name is Sudarshan Regmi. Before we go deeper, I want to be clear with you. I am not a psychologist. I am a learner, someone who studies the mind, observes my own experience, and shares what I am learning. This video is not therapy. This is not medical advice. This is only for education purpose. This is a series about the mind. In this series, I will explore different parts of the mind step by step. The first part is about the conscious mind. In the next parts, we will go deeper about subconscious, unconscious, and more. Now, let's begin this series about the conscious mind. The conscious mind is part of you. It is aware. It is what you are thinking right now, what you are noticing right now, what you are choosing right now. Right now, you are listening to my voice. If you know you are listening, that knowing is consciousness. Conscious mind is like a light. When the light is on, you can see your thoughts. When the light is off, thoughts run automatically. Most of people live on autopilot mode. Wake up, phone, work, stress, and sleep. Same thing repeated. And slowly the days pass. Autopilot is not always bad. It's help us do routine things. But if your whole life become autopilot, you stop feeling life. You stop noticing yourself. And that is why awareness is powerful. A time when my days were moving very fast. I was doing everything, but inside I felt empty. I was thinking about past, worrying about the future, and then I realized something painful. My life was happening, but I was not fully there. The moment gave me one question. If my mind is always somewhere else, then where am I living? The conscious mind is small, but it is the door. Whatever you bring into awareness can change. Whatever stays outside awareness controls you. This is why many people repeat the same pattern not because they are weak, but because they are not aware in the moment. Awareness does not fix everything instantly, but it's give you something very important. Can you guess what is this? It is choice. When you become aware, you can choose a new response. Let's do something simple for 10 seconds. Don't do anything special. Just notice your breath. Notice your body from deep inside. Notice one thought in your mind and don't judge it. Just notice. That noticing is your conscious mind waking up. You don't need to change your whole life today. Just start with one thing. Be present in small moments. When you drink water, notice it. When you walk, feel your steps. When you talk, really listen. This is how consciousness grows. This was part 1, the conscious mind. But beneath the conscious mind, there is another layer. It controls habit, emotional, and patterns. In the next video, we will explore the subconscious mind and why it controls so much of our life. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. And thank you everyone who is belongs to me this journey together. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And most important, don't forget to press the bell icon for more new videos. If you want to share your own knowledge, please write something on comment box. Until then, stay aware, stay conscious, and stay happy. See you in next video. Bye. Hasta la vista.